Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am back with another Kikki haul. They recently had a sale and I couldn't resist myself, so I've been picking up a few things that I've been wanting for a very long time from Kikki. I feel like Kikki is about to discontinue some of their older leather planners, like their mint, latte, that pale pink. I have a feeling that they're going to be discontinuing and changing their style a little bit, so I decided to pick up a few things that I've been interested in for a while. So I'm going to start with this item here. I've been wanting this for a very long time, and it is one of their leather pouches. I also really like how it comes in a cute Kikki bag. But let me just open this up to show you guys. Okay, so this is Kikki's leather pouch in the shade Latte. I don't own anything in this shade already. I know the Latte planners are also on sale currently on the Kikki website, but I decided to go for a pouch instead. I do own quite a bit of Kikki items already, especially their ring-bound planners, so I decided to get some other things that I was interested in from the Kikki website that are not actual ring planners. So this is one of the items that I picked up. As you can see in the Latte color, it comes with a rose gold zipper, rose gold pull here, and on the inside it's just black. It's very classic looking. Initially I didn't think I would like this Latte color. However, after seeing it in real life, I really like this. It's a very neutral color. Sometimes I feel like in pictures it can look a little bit warm, but I think it's showing up true to color here. And I really like it, so I'm excited to either put some stationery items in here and or some makeup. This is a pretty big pouch as well. The bottom is quite wide, so I think you can fit quite a bit in here. So let's move on to the next items that I'm super excited about. So this next item is a notebook cover from Kikki, and this is in the A5 size. I'm not sure how old this design is, but this is the one with the black and white large stripes on it. This is a real leather cover and it smells amazing. I'll just show you the front. It has gold hardware, as you can see, and then on the back you just have this back pocket, which is really nice. Some of the notebook covers I don't think have them. It might only be a select few notebook covers that have this back pocket, but this is one of the designs that has. I'll quickly open it and show you guys what the notebook cover looks like. So as you can see here, you have a really nice selection of pockets here. You have a really big pocket. I think it goes all the way down. And then you get 3 smaller card slot pockets. They don't go all the way down. This one does. So you can put credit cards or other cards in here, and then obviously you do get the little info card as well. So this notebook cover actually does come with a Kikki notebook inside of it, and it's just lined paper, as you can see here. So as you can see, this notebook doesn't necessarily lay flat. However, I think I'm going to use it anyways. It's a very good quality notebook. This paper is quite thick, so I think it'll be able to hold like gel pens and stuff like that. We'll see. Maybe I'll do some pen swatches. This is definitely thinner than their newest paper that they have released. Definitely not the one in the B6, their thickest paper yet. But I think I'm going to use this notebook anyways. The interior of the notebook is actually, it has a design on the inside as well, so again with the stripes. On the back here, you'll notice that the pocket to insert your notebook is just this tiny slot over here, so you don't get like a full pocket like this, but I actually quite like this. You can put like larger sticker sheets or like another notebook in the back here in case you need extra writing room. It does also come with a pen loop here. So I'll quickly take out this notebook so you guys can see what the lining of this notebook looks like and what the notebook looks like without this cover. So this is what the notebook inside looks like. It's just black. If you don't really like this interior here, you can always just cover it with your own paper, and the outside's black, so it shouldn't make a difference. So this is what the interior looks like. It's all that stripy material, which I think is quite bold. If I just leave my notebook in like that, just a little bit here pokes out and then a little bit on the top and bottom, but that really doesn't bother me. I still think it's a really nice notebook cover. I do own a lot of Kikki ring-bound planners, like their personal size. I have A5 as well. So I wanted to pick up a few things that aren't ring-bound planners and other leather items from Kikki just to expand my collection a little bit and see how I like them. And so far, I really like this leather notebook cover. I think it's very nice and very chic. I also really like the idea of these notebook covers that you can put any other A5 notebook inside of them. And I like the idea so much apparently that I did also pick out another one. So this next notebook cover is from one of their latest collections, which is the Signature collection. And if you guys seen this on the website, like, I was obsessed with this texture for so long. This is their faux croc leather. Alright, so look how gorgeous this is. This is the Kikki A5 notebook cover from the Signature collection. This is the vegan croc leather, and I chose the color jet black. The other color that they offer in this faux leather texture is an almond color, which is more of a beige. They do also have this in a zippered ring planner in A5 and B6, but I decided to pick up a notebook cover instead. So as you can see here, this texture is really pretty. It's also on the strap, and this is what the back looks like. Has a little rose gold Kikki hardware bit over here, and then this one does also have the back pocket. I didn't know this one had the back pocket. I thought just this other one does, but I'm happy that I now have two back pocket A5 notebooks. So the inside of this should be exactly the same as the last one, but just in this vegan croc. This is my very first non-leather planner slash cover from Kikki, so I'm a little bit curious about it, I guess you can say. I want to make sure I can take care of this planner because since it isn't leather, I feel like it can be a little bit more fragile. The texture of this is really nice actually. It's not plasticky or anything. It doesn't feel as thick and as durable as leather, obviously, but I think this is a pretty good imitation, especially for a vegan leather. So again, same pocket configuration with the information card here, this slot to put in your notebook, and on the other side it's also that small slot here with a pen loop. The pen loops are all elasticized like in their planners. And this is the same notebook. Actually, this paper feels a little bit thicker. If I just compare it here, there are only some slight changes, like the logo's a little bit different, but for the most part they are quite similar. I just think this one is a little bit thicker. So again, I'll show you guys what the notebook looks like in the lining. So the lining in here does have the Kikki logo. It's kind of like this checkered pattern with the Kikki logo inside here. Usually Kikki just does little patterns and stuff on it, but I actually don't mind it. So this is what the notebook looks like. A5. Really nice and minimal actually. So I'm going to keep this in here just like that. I'm actually very happy that I got this. I think the quality is really nice even though it is a vegan leather product. I really like the feel and texture of it. I think it's very unique. Also, I forgot to mention that the hardware in these black planners from the Signature collection are all rose gold. I think in the almond color, it's more of the beige fake leather cover. I think the hardware on that is gold. Normally I would put like something like silver with this black texture, but I think Kikki did a good choice with the rose gold. I also think it'll look really nice with my Latte pencil case if I decide to use it as a pencil case. But yeah, those are the three items that I picked up from Kikki. I was so curious about this this fake leather, this vegan leather notebook cover, and I'm really happy that I got it. You know what, now that I'm thinking about it, this leather one is definitely a lot heavier than the vegan leather one, so I guess if you're carrying this around, that might be something that you're looking for, something a little bit lighter, so that would definitely do well. I definitely would be a little bit more delicate with this versus like this textured-y leather that Kikki does. I know I can be a little bit more rough with this planner versus this one. It's a little bit more soft. Oh, but I love it. It looks so cool. So that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions about any of these items or this Signature collection, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll try my best to answer them. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye!